Good day, my co-adjudicators. I am Trixia Gulay, a freshman student from Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. As a member of Group 1, I was given a task to report about the second output about solving the given problem using recursion. So, the given problem is: write a C program to print all even numbers from 1 to n. Sample output: input upper range 10, even numbers between 1 to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But before we proceed to answer the given problem, let's first define what is recursion. So what is recursion? So, it is a programming languages that allows you to call a function inside the same function. So now, let's start. So, this is the code of our program. So, how do we come up to these codes using recursion? So first, number include stdio.h, void print even number, open parenthesis, int, comma, int, close parenthesis, then semicolon. So void print even number is the function declaration. The return type is void and it contains two arguments in integer type. The function prints all even number in given range and returns void. Next, int main. Inside the int main function is the declaration of two integer type which are the n and I. Printf, open parenthesis, open quotation, input upper range, colon, close quotation, close parenthesis, and then semicolon, it prints the or displays the input upper range. Then the scanf, open parenthesis, open quotation, %d, close quotation, comma, ampersand n, will read that number from the user or the inputted number from the user, and it will be stored inside n, so the ampersand n. So printf, open parenthesis, open quotation, even numbers between 1 to %d, colon, new line, close quotation, comma, n, close parenthesis, semicolon. So it will print or display the even numbers between 1 to %d or the inputted number, and it will be stored in n. So next is print even number, open parenthesis, n, comma, I, close parenthesis, then semicolon. Next is the return 0, semicolon. So next is the recursive function to print even number in a given range. So void print even number, open parenthesis, int n, comma, int I, close quotation. So for open parenthesis I equals to 1, semicolon, I less than or equal to n, semicolon, I increment, then close parenthesis. If open parenthesis I %2 is equal to 0, then print open parenthesis, open quotation, %d, close quotation, comma, I, then close parenthesis, semicolon. So now that's gonna recursively call to print even number. So return print even number, open parenthesis n %2, comma, I, then close parenthesis, semicolon. So this line here, the return print even number, which we call the function. So in recursive, we have to call the function. We have to call the function inside the same function. Let's run the code. Input upper range 10, then 10. Even numbers between 1 to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, thank you.